Right, so this morning it's gonna be doing some gardening in one of the zones. This is the dining hall.
Yeah, I should probably take you guys on a tour.
And then we're just gonna be walking a little bit and yeah, seeing about what to do for gardening in this area.
So this is a plant that we eat really often here, and it is super easy to grow. And when you want to eat it, we can eat the stem and the leaves. And the stem is when it is soft. When it's thicker, you don't want it. It does have this white sap, so some people it's like it can be itchy on your hand. But this one you can just like cut it off and stick it in the ground and it grows.
Oh wow.
Like even when we cut them, because they get huge like this, we cut it and throw it on the ground and it starts to grow again. Right. So we have like our little forest in here. Yum soup or something like this. But you can eat the leaf, the flower. It's spicy.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have this side. Oh, spicy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Boom.
Okay, but
Yeah.
it's quite interesting.
Yeah, it's quite an interesting flavor. Not like galangal, you know, not like the root. But
Wow,
yeah, the galangal
crazy.
flower.
That's so cool.
So we sometimes use this one. We can make like chili paste and have it with chili paste.
And
When,
put
when
a,
it's
If they want to eat, they eat fresh.
yeah, I did not expect that from a flower.
Yeah, this is full moon and lily. Hard to catch.
Yeah, normally too easy. Maybe probably scare you. You have a new people come.
Oh, I'm making her shy.
Yeah.
I make her shy.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
I think that.
Not much.
Ah, you try, huh?
Okay. So I just milked a cow for the first time. That was pretty fun. Sorry I didn't get any footage. You had to put oil on your hands. My hands were all oily and I couldn't film and do that, but yeah, it was a cool experience. There's not much milk, right now because they're pregnant. They haven't given birth yet, so like maybe a cup from the one cow. So maybe you'll get a cup of each, but enough to put in some coffee or have a little glass of milk every day.
Not all of it's good, some of it's like powder.
Oh, that's some ginger?
Smell all the black pepper.
So what's on the menu?
Tom Kha not guy. I don't know mushroom, but like a coconut soup. I think she's making probably some sort of stir fry with the mushrooms and the tofu, is my guess. But that might go in the Tom Kha as well.
Okay, na, celebrity.
Celebrity, yeah.
So Brendan is succeeding at cooking. Meanwhile, we spent the past 30 minutes picking noodles out of this salad that I made because I hadn't cooked the noodles yet. So now they're cooked. Ooh. How was it?
Very good.
Very good.
Nice and
Because you
peppery.
make it. Must be good, huh?
Gotta be good.
No one, because we need to discuss first what we want to go for. And
It's all coming together now. Okay.
อร่อยมาก
4 4